ever feel like you have some feelings inside of you that just don't feel good and you're ready to get rid of them so that you can be right here, right now, doing what you love here at school? We're going to use the washing machine to get some of that uncomfortable stuff just right out of here. So come standing next to your desk. Keep your feet about hip width apart so that they're underneath you, and make sure that if you spin your arms, you're not going to hit anybody or your desk, okay? So we're going to start with the arms just kind of loose, like flopping back and forth, like empty coat sleeves. And then we're going to start putting a little bounce into our knees, just a little one, and speeding up the washing machine. And if you can think about where that uncomfortable feeling is in your body, just sort of feel where it is, and then you're going to start speeding it up. And can you feel your fingers sort of flying out to your sides? And you're going to use that washing machine, keeping soft little bounce in your knees and letting yourself breathe and letting that yucky feeling just flow right out through your fingertips. Here we are, washing ourselves clean, breathing and loving the ride as we get ourselves feeling comfortable right here, right now. One more big breath in and feel that stuff just flowing out your hands, and then slow your washing machine down until your hands are like little empty coat sleeves, just gently tapping you as you turn, and then go even slower until you come to stillness. Take a big breath in, roll your shoulders up, and let the breath come out as you roll your shoulders down. One more like that. Big shoulder roll coming up and coming down. And then standing and feeling how you are in this moment.